Master English Skills 2024.
Conversation.
Lesson 4. Introduction.
Example.
Is this the airport? Yes, this is the airport.
Exercise.
Improve your English skills, one video at a time. The museum. The airport. The waiting room. The single room. The double room. The coffee shop. The dining room. The bathroom.
Is this the museum? Yes, this is the museum. Is this the waiting room? Yes, this is the waiting room. Is this the double room? Yes, this is the double room. Is this the bathroom? Yes, this is the bathroom. Is this the dining room? Yes, this is the dining room. Is this the coffee shop? Yes, this is the coffee shop. Is this the single room? Yes, this is the single room.